Hi everybody, welcome to the Vegan Brit. So I thought it would be helpful to do a video, 5 quick 5-minute ideas for sweet and savoury snacks. Avocado on toast, hummus and dips, pasta and pesto, noodles and veg, crisps. I know that when you get a bit of a hunger craving, it's not necessarily for something savoury, so I wanted to include this in the same video. I'll probably decide afterwards if this is going to be the same video or 2 videos. So, here are 5 sweet, quick, 5-minute vegan snack options. Brevity is not my strong point. Number 1, fruit. Can I say fruit? I should mention fruit. I felt like I had to mention fruit. I can name you fruits, but I know that you guys know what fruit is. But to keep it a little bit more interesting, specifically, one of my favorite sweet snacks to have is apple and peanut butter. I'm laughing as I say that because if you are not new to my channel and have seen my other videos, you'll know that I love my peanut butter, particularly apple and peanut butter. My favorite apples are pink lady apples because they've got just the right balance between crunch and sweet and tart. I don't like apples that are too soft. I don't like apples that are too tangy. The pink lady apples are definitely my preferred apple. But I've also got a huge bag of cherries in the fridge that I've just been snacking on the last few days. And I'll probably say berries are some of my favourite fruit too. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Just love them. So fruit. I have to include fruit. It's the easiest, quickest, most readily available sweet vegan snack that there is. Number 2, smoothies. Yeah, smoothies are super quick and super easy and can be super tasty. My go-to smoothie if I'm having a bit of a sweet craving is banana milkshake, which is banana, peanut butter, maple syrup, oats, soy milk. Blitz it up, banana milkshake. I also love adding cacao powder into my smoothies to make them taste like chocolate milkshakes. I'm not really one to just throw everything in because otherwise, I don't know, I just don't like throwing loads of stuff in. Like, I don't think apples would be very nice in a smoothie. Might be wrong, but same with oranges. Might be wrong, but I just wouldn't put apples and oranges in a smoothie. There are certain things that don't go in a smoothie, but you can put in whatever you want. And it's good to also put in chia seeds and flax seeds and or chia seeds and or flax seeds if you want to get your omega-3s in. Always a spoon of peanut butter because it just can't go wrong unless you have a nut allergy, because then that could go very wrong. And it's also good to make sure at least a third of the smoothie, a third to half of the smoothie is something like spinach or cauliflower or kale, and you don't taste it. It just makes sure you get a little bit of extra goodness into you and you're not having too much sugar. Number 3, jam on toast, or marmalade on toast, or maple syrup on toast, or bananas on toast. Again, might be a cop-out, but come on, if you're really hungry and you're new to this whole vegan thing and you haven't had time to stock up your fridges, what do most people have? Bread, hopefully vegan spread. If not vegan spread, just put the jam right on. Vitalite spread is vegan. Make sure you have Vitalite in your fridge. And I'm gonna put this in the same category as jam and marmalade and maple syrup on toast, but if you get cinnamon bagel and mash banana on it, put a little bit of cinnamon sprinkled on top, and then cook it face down in the pan with a bit of vegan butter, and then drizzle maple syrup on top. That is so good. Sweet snack idea number 4, yogurt with dried fruit and nuts. I have this as a dessert most evenings because it's delicious and it's filling and it has so much goodness in it. So I'll start with my coconut yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt, but I really love the Coconut Collaborative's coconut yogurt. And then I add in my nuts and my dried fruit and fresh berries if I have them. Raspberries and blueberries go really nicely. I put a sprinkling of flaxseed and chia seeds, sometimes a little bit of maple syrup, sometimes a little bit of peanut butter or almond butter. Really satisfies my sweet tooth. And speaking of sweet tooth, sweet vegan snack number 5 is biscuits. Now if you're in the States, that's cookies, but I mean biscuits. Biscuits, not biscuits and gravy biscuits. Biscuits, cookies, biscuits. Glad we sorted that out. And same as the crisps, I wanted to just give you 5 different vegan options. Things that you might not even know a vegan. The first one, I've got to mention it because this is the one that most non-vegans know about, is Oreos. Oreos are vegan. Most Oreos are vegan. I know there's lots of different varieties, but the original Oreo is definitely vegan. Number 2, now this surprised me, Bourbon creams. They're vegan. 3, Jammy Dodgers, which I definitely have in my cupboard right now. Number 4, now these are pretty new and they are Bournville chocolate fingers. Cadbury's recently brought out Bournville chocolate fingers, which are dark chocolate as opposed to the original milk chocolate fingers, which of course had milk. But the Bournville chocolate fingers are vegan and they're wonderful, and I can polish off a whole box in a sitting. It's pretty bad, but they're pretty good. And I haven't tried this before, but Lotus biscuits are vegan, and you can get like a Biscoff spread that's vegan, which I've also not tried, but a lot of people that I know who are vegan just rave about it. So Lotus biscuits and Biscoff spread, just so that you know, they're vegan. I really hope that helped. I tried really hard to only give suggestions of things that really were 5 minutes or under in terms of preparation, and I hope with a couple of these sweet and savory ideas it will support you in sticking to your vegan plant-based journey if you're doing Veganuary this month. And if not, it's just good to know some quick snack ideas for when either you don't have much in the house or you don't have much time. So that's another video for the week. Thank you so much for watching. If you are taking part in Veganuary and you want any help or any advice, as I mentioned last week, I have a new email address that I've created just for Veganuary so that you can email me with your questions, which is kattheveganbrit@gmail.com. No question is too silly. I would love to support you. For me, being vegan has never been a chore. It's always been really enjoyable, and I'm a massive foodie, guys. You know this from my videos. I'm a massive foodie. I love food. I do not eat boring food. I couldn't live on just like a shake that gave me all my nutrients. Number 2, smoothies. I just love food, and I'm so passionate about food, and I want to pass that on to you guys. If there's anything that I can do to help, if there are any recipes that you want me to try and make vegan, you have any go-to recipes that contain animal products that you want me to veganize, let me know. Throw down the gauntlet. Love a challenge. And in the spirit of helping you guys, there are a couple of vegan YouTubers that I watch all the time, and they really inspire me, and I get so many great ideas from them. I'm going to link them in the description below. Check them out. They've certainly inspired me. I hope that they'll inspire you too. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's anything you want me to make a food. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's anything you want me to make a vegan food video on. And I will see you all next week. Bye! Give that like button a hit and subscribe to the Vegan Brit.